Having the perfect pots for your plants is nearly as satisfying as growing them, but decorative pots can be pretty pricey. Check out these beautiful budget-friendly makes you can create at home with just a few supplies. Adding a unique touch to a teacup and saucer is super simple with just a bit of porcelain paint. This paint can be baked on so that it remains water resistant and durable. Acrylic paint might not be as hard wearing, but you can still use it for your DIY plant projects. Here we're using a lovely matte acrylic paint to cover this thrifted plate. The small wooden spheres are glued to the bottom to create a one-of-a-kind plant stand. This last one is an absolute stunner, but it does take a bit of extra work. To create this wood effect, we've used some small dowels and wrapped them around a large glass jar. After you measure the first one, you'll just need to cut a bunch to size. Then you can use tape or glue to fix them to the sides of the jar. You could also use an old pot for this if you've got one that needs a facelift. We had some leftover wood stain, so we gave the dowels a once-over to match the decor and added a little rope accent as well. Remember that glass jars aren't the best environment for your plant's roots, so you'll want to be sure to use a plastic inner pot that will allow them to breathe. If the jar you use is too deep, you can use floral foam or pebbles to hold up your pot inside. These make great gifts because it's easy to pop in a small pot or propagation from your own collection. To see how you can make your teacups or decorative ceramic pots totally plant-friendly, check out our video here. For more fun DIY projects and plant care tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, from all of us at Planta, happy planting!